Hello again, everyone. What we're going to do today is I'm taking my FX9 and we're going to replace the trigger with a Rise armament flat trigger. So these are pretty nice. I have them in my ARs. I really like them. This is a 3.5 pound trigger pull, single stage. So we're going to put that in here. I forgot where I got it. Primary Arms. They had them for like 88 bucks on their Black Friday sale, so I got one. So let's go ahead and start taking this apart and we'll show you how to put the trigger cassette inside here. Let's go to it. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the handle. It's a 3/16 hex head. But you want to be careful when you're taking all this out. Be nice and easy with it. For the simple reason you got that spring right here. I'm going to put that to the side with the spring. There we go. I'm going to get that detent out of there. So I can get that safety out of there. It can be a little tricky at times. You're going to want to get your 2 Allen keys because I have anti-walk pins on this. Take them out up here too. They were in there pretty good. And there you go. Everything is completely out. Those pins take a little bit of work with those springs and everything. They're kind of tight inside there. So what I'm going to do now, get my trigger. and drop it in there. Oops, my bad. There we go. I put it under the detent, or the takedown, sorry. Liking it so far. Get my new pens. These can take a little bit to line up. There we go. Made a liar out of me, went right in. There we go. No, I'm not beating the hell out of it with steel. It's a rubber end to these. And I'm just going to sit here and try that for a minute, make sure everything works. Everything seems to be fine. Put my screws back in there for the anti-walk pins. My fingers are a little too fat. You want to make sure, no way, shape, or form you cross thread these. They're very fine threaded, so it would be easy to do. Don't drop them like I did. The Allen keys on them are really small, so please be careful. Hard for me to see. I'd have better light, but I got construction crew outside and you wouldn't be able to hear me if I had the door open. I'm making sure they're nice and tight in there. It is. Got a nice hit to it. Let's put everything back together. Put my safety back in. There we go, right. There we go. My little detent, don't lose these, or or your butt will be going to your store to buy some more. And right now, AR parts are kind of hard to find for whatever reason. Make sure that spring goes back in that hole. And then put your handle back on it, your grip back on it with your 3/16. Get it nice and tight. And then make sure everything's good. My safety works. There, it's off. Put it back on. It's perfect. There we go. That's pretty easy. Make sure you got the right tools. Sometimes these things come out a little sticky, so be careful. If you have any questions, let me find it here real quick. Any questions? This is what I got. The Ar9 Pcc trigger for it. Let's see, where is, I don't see what up. You look on the very bottom right there, it tells you what it is. There you go. Have a good day.